Hello, everyone. I am Lisa Schwartz from the LTC, and in the next 5 minutes, we will embark on an exciting journey into the world of Canva's AI tools and how they can become your new best friend in the world of creativity. Canva is like having a virtual design assistant right at your fingertips as you use the online graphic design platform that empowers users like you and me without a marketing degree to create stunning visual content for various purposes, from social media posts to presentations, posters, and even websites. It's known for its user-friendly interface and extensive library of templates, graphics, and images. Let's explore the Magic Eraser tool here in Canva. So what I did here, I uploaded a photo from a workshop, and I see that they have their name tags on. Well, I don't want their names to be in this social media post in case if they don't want the world to know their first and last name. So I uploaded this photo, I click on the photo, in the left-hand corner at the top here, I go to Edit Photo. When I click on Edit Photo, over here on the left-hand side, I go to Magic Eraser. Now, what I'm going to do is make this brush size a little bit smaller, and I want to get rid of their name tags. So I just come over here, click on their name tag. So then we can't read Molly's name, and it does its magic. It takes away her name tag and it blends her shirt in to cover up where her name tag was. Same thing with Brian's name tag right here. I'll click on Brian's name tag, and then again, it's taking away the name tag, and then the artificial intelligence then is blending in the color of his shirt over where the name tag was. That is the Magic Eraser. Let's now look at the Magic Edit tool here in Canva. I'm going to use the same photo that I used earlier, but instead of erasing the name tags, we are going to erase the water bottle and the phone and these papers right here, and we will edit it to put a different object in its place. So same thing, click on the photo, go to Edit Photo, and go to Magic Edit over here on the left-hand side. And then still going to use the brush size. I'm going to just make it a little bit smaller here, and going to erase this, the papers, the phone, the water bottle, and then I'm going to replace it. What do I want there instead of that? So I hit continue, and then let me go ahead and put in books. Let's put some books there. If I'm not for sure what I want, or I just want to play around with this, it does give you some inspiration here, some ideas that you could put in there to try to see what it looks like. But this kind of, again, if there's things in the photo that you need to get rid of, you can, or if there's things in the photo that you want to replace, you can do that. So I typed in books, click generate. And so what's happening right here is it's generating 4 different photos for me to replace what's there. And it's around books, since that's what I put in. If I see it selected this first photo here of books, and is that an accurate picture? No. Again, it's still learning, and this Magic Edit is in beta. Let me try this one here. Does that look any better? Sure. Again, if that's what I want there. If not, I can put other things, but if that is what I want, select that photo and then hit done, and voila, I've got a photo here that I have manipulated within Canva using Magic Edit. The other tool here is the background remover. I will challenge you to see what the background remover allows you to do here in Canva. Good luck on your journey. It's just like magic, how you can get unwanted objects out of your photo. You can easily erase or retouch any photo with Magic Eraser, or remove the background from the photo. Reach out to the LTC or the ROE for clarifications or support, and stay tuned for other tech tips throughout the year.